We're Americans. We're competitive. We want to win at everything. And we want to win at Social Security. We want to get the most money out of Social Security that we're entitled to. After putting in all the hours, all those years of working, how do we get the most money out of Social Security before we check out for good? In other words, which option gives you the most money over your lifetime? And by option, I mean, what age is the best age to take it? We can do a break-even analysis to figure it out. It's a lot easier to do than it may first appear, and I'll show you how to do it. But first, you need a couple of numbers. The amount of your Social Security benefit at your full retirement age, often referred to as FRA, and the amount you'll receive if you take Social Security early. Both amounts are easy to find on your My Social Security online account. If you haven't set it up yet, that's the first thing to go do. Go to ssa.gov and set it up. The whole reason you're trying to figure this out is because you can take Social Security at various ages. Your full retirement age according to Social Security. If you're born in 1960 or later, that's age 67. Your FRA is when you get your full benefits without any reductions. You can also take it early as age 62, but there's a price to pay, a permanently reduced amount, about 30% if your FRA is 67 and you claim at age 62. Here's the concept, and we'll use a FRA of 67 and early access of age 62 for our example. It's those 5 years that lead up to age 67 that hold the key. Is the amount you'd collect over those 5 years enough to offset the higher amount you'll receive for the rest of your life if you wait until age 67? In other words, there's two amounts. Either one you'll receive for the rest of your life. The smaller amount starts 5 years earlier. Is that 5-year head start enough to get you more money over your lifetime compared to waiting and taking a higher monthly amount? Let's say you find out your Social Security benefit at age 67 is $2,000 per month. At age 62, it's $1,500 per month. These are just hypothetical numbers for our example. First, we'll calculate the amount of money we'd get in the 5 years from age 62 to 67. $1,500 a month times 12 months equals $18,000 a year, times the 5 years, and you have $90,000. Taking it early gives you a $90,000 head start in this example. Now we'll figure out how long you'd have to live to make up the $90,000 by waiting and taking a bigger amount. Take the difference in payments, $500 in our case, divide the $90,000 by 500 to see how many months it would take to make up that difference and break even. $90,000 divided by 500 equals 180 months. Divide that by 12 to get the number of years, 15. You'd have to live 15 years beyond your FRA to break even, age 82 in this example. You don't have to take it early at 62. You could take it at any age before your full retirement age, and that would be considered early. The closer you take it to full retirement age, the less reduction in benefit, the smaller the amount you'd have taken prior to your FRA, and the sooner the break-even point would be. Which way should you go? If you knew the day you're going to die, it wouldn't be so hard to choose, right? The break-even point should not be the only consideration in this choice. How's your health? How long do you expect to live? Do you need the money? Is there a spouse in the picture? Are you still going to work if you take it early? And if you do, making more than a certain threshold could result in some of your benefit being reduced or even eliminated. We'll take a look at those considerations in another video. It shouldn't be whoever dies with the most Social Security money wins. The winner should be the one who lived their best life, using their God-given talents to their potential, to serve and to love their family and friends.